Hello, welcome to Take It Digital. Today we'll be looking on how to create animations on Canva. Before moving forward, please hit the subscribe button. So, let's get started. We'll use the YouTube thumbnail. You can use any other thumbnail which you like for Instagram and for WhatsApp story, anything will do. We'll first select the background. You can select the color or the background design. I'm selecting a background design. I'm doing something related to beach, so I'll be going with blue color. Then the text. Yep. I'll be writing beach babes. I'll see if it is exactly in the middle. Yes, I'll copy the page. On the page 2, I'll select again the text and push it downwards and write babes. You might be thinking, why didn't I use the same thing to write it forward? It would shift the animation, so I didn't use it. In fact, I used the other text link. Page 3, I'll use the element in which I want something related to pineapples. So yeah, because peach and pineapples go well, so let's go to the pineapples. Yeah, okay. On the page 3, so everything whichever there's an added element or added design, there is always a third page to it. You can resize your element as per your convenience. That's it, I guess. So I'll be showing you how will it look in video. You can increase the playback speed so it looks like an animation. Yeah, you can download it. Preferably there are various formats to download, but for animation you have to download video. Yeah, so I'll be doing the second one, which is with the plain background, just to give you a proper description about it. The second design will be doing on the colored background as before we did with the design one. I'll be selecting a purple color, making it a little bit lighter since I'm doing something with the spring. Then I'll be using a text to write on it. I'll be writing spring times. So the only one word I'll be writing is spring, then changing its color to white. moving the spring little bit forward since I'll be writing times beneath it. I'll copy the page to page 2 and then select the font format, the same one. I'll be writing here times and changing the color to white again, deleting the unrequired fonts. Yeah. Yeah. Then again I'll be copying it to the third page to add the element to it. Since element, I want to add some flowers to it since spring is all about flowers. Yeah. So I'll be deleting this flower since I want a colorful flowers to it. Taking it to the corner, left hand side, making it a little bit bigger in size. Selecting the same flowers and taking it to the other end of the right hand corner, flipping it, and then I'll be sliding it little bit ahead. Yeah. I'll be copying the page again and adding bird. I want a flying bird, so yeah, something like that. I'll be changing the color of the bird to white, shifting the bird to the end of the spring, and then resizing it as per my convenience. Yeah, so here we have it, which is ready. You can download it. Here the PNG format is available. You have to download it in video, and that's it.